If you have ever bought an expensive probiotic, taken it every day, and felt absolutely nothing, you are not broken. Your body is not defective, and probiotics are not fake. The problem is simpler than that. Most people are trying to plant seeds in concrete. They are adding bacteria into an environment where bacteria cannot survive. And that is why probiotics fail for so many people. Let's fix that. Because gut health is not about buying more bacteria. It is about creating the right environment for bacteria to live. The garden metaphor. Think of your gut like a garden. Probiotics are seeds. Prebiotics are fertilizer. Fiber is soil. If you throw seeds on dry concrete, nothing grows. No matter how expensive the seeds are, no matter how many seeds you throw. This is exactly what most people are doing with probiotics. They take capsules full of bacteria, but their gut environment is hostile to life. Low fiber, high stress, poor diet, inflammation, ultra-processed foods. So the bacteria die, pass through, and nothing changes. Not because probiotics don't work, but because the system is wrong. The probiotic illusion. This is why people keep upgrading. 10 billion CFUs, 20 billion CFUs, 50 billion CFUs, 100 billion CFUs. More bacteria, more strains, more money. But quantity does not equal effectiveness. More seeds do not fix bad soil. CFUs, or colony-forming units, simply measure how many bacteria are present in the capsule. They do not measure survival. They do not measure colonization. They do not measure impact. A smaller dose in the right environment beats a massive dose in the wrong environment every time. The survival problem. There is another issue most people never think about. Stomach acid. Your stomach acid is designed to kill bacteria. That is its job. Many probiotic strains never survive the stomach. They are destroyed before they ever reach the intestine. This is why formulation matters. Some probiotics use enteric-coated capsules, delayed-release capsules, spore-based strains. These increase survival. But again, survival alone is not enough, because even living bacteria need food. The missing piece, prebiotics. This is the part almost nobody talks about. Prebiotics are not bacteria. They are fibers. They are the food that bacteria eat. No food means no growth, no colonization, no benefit. Prebiotics include inulin, resistant starch, beta-glucans, fructooligosaccharides, plant fibers from real food. This is why people who eat fiber-rich diets often have better gut health without supplements, because their bacteria are being fed daily. This is also why fermented foods work so well. Not just because of the bacteria, but because they come with natural substrates that support growth. The symbiotic principle. This leads to the real solution. Synbiotics. A symbiotic is probiotic plus prebiotic together. Seeds plus fertilizer, bacteria plus food, life plus support. This is how gut ecosystems are built, not by dumping bacteria into an empty system, but by feeding the system. Strains actually matter. Not all bacteria do the same thing. Different strains serve different functions. Lactobacillus strains are associated with immune health, skin health, inflammation regulation. Bifidobacterium strains support digestion, gut barrier integrity, IBS symptoms, nutrient absorption. Saccharomyces boulardii is a beneficial yeast that helps after antibiotics, during gut infections, with diarrhea and microbiome recovery. This is not random. Gut health is not about more bacteria. It is about the right bacteria in the right environment. Food beats pills, most of the time. This is another uncomfortable truth. Many fermented foods outperform supplements. Kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, fermented vegetables. Why? Because they deliver living bacteria, natural fibers, organic acids, enzymes, real biological complexity. They feed the ecosystem, not just seed it. Supplements can help, but food builds foundations. The real rule of gut health. Here is the rule nobody tells you. You cannot supplement your way out of a fiber deficiency. If you are not feeding your microbiome, no probiotic will fix it. Gut health starts with fiber, diversity of plants, low ultra-processed foods, stress regulation, stress, sleep, inflammation control. Supplements come after the foundation, not before. There is also something else most people overlook. Your gut bacteria follow a daily rhythm, just like your hormones and your nervous system. They are more active during the day and early evening when you are eating and digesting food. This means timing matters. Taking probiotics first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is often not ideal. A better approach is to take them with meals, especially meals that contain fiber. Why? Because food buffers stomach acid and gives bacteria a better chance to survive. And fiber gives them something to feed on immediately once they arrive. Hydration also plays a role. Dehydration slows digestion and reduces microbial activity. Simply drinking enough water throughout the day improves how fiber moves through your system and how bacteria ferment it. Another factor is stress. Chronic stress directly alters gut bacteria through cortisol and nervous system signaling. You can eat perfectly and still sabotage your microbiome if you live in constant fight or flight. This is why breathing, sleep, and recovery are not optional for gut health. They are biological requirements. And finally, antibiotics. If you recently took antibiotics, your gut ecosystem may be severely depleted. In these cases, probiotics can help, but only when paired with prebiotics and real food. Otherwise, you are repopulating an empty city without providing electricity, water, or infrastructure. Gut recovery after antibiotics is a rebuilding process, not a pill. The SMART protocol. If you want real results, here is the intelligent approach. Feed your gut first. Add fiber. Add plants. Add diversity. Use prebiotics consistently, not occasionally, not randomly. Choose targeted probiotic strains, not massive random blends. Use Synbiotics when possible, bacteria plus fuel. Support with fermented foods, nature's original probiotics. This builds an ecosystem, not a supplement dependency. The bottom line, most probiotics fail not because they are useless, but because they are used incorrectly. People focus on bacteria. They ignore the environment. They buy seeds. They forget the soil. Gut health is not about buying more products. It is about building a system. Feed what you already have. Support what already lives there. Then introduce what is missing. That is how real gut health is created. Not with marketing, not with hype, not with billion CFU labels, but with biology. If this video helped you understand gut health at a deeper level, subscribe to Vitality Lab. We don't chase trends, we build systems, stronger bodies, smarter minds, health that actually works. See you in the next video.